My name is Haruhiro Mizora. I've just left for a trip by myself. I'm done with this city. I'm free. I was so enthusiastic, but as I looked out the window of the Shinkansen, I remembered the things that had happened at work. Haruhiro, haven't you finished the work I asked you to do yet? That was finished a long time ago. Well, it's only natural that you can do that much. There's plenty of other work to be done, so I'm counting on you. Yes, understood. Right then. I'm going home. Make sure you do it properly. This is really his job, huh? I can't take it anymore. I'm sorry. I'm quitting the company. I was a serious person at the company, but I was always forced to do my boss's work and worked a lot of overtime. In the end, he forced me to make mistakes and I lost my place in the company, so I resigned. My boss told me that I was running away when I quit. But this was not an escape. It's a strategic retreat. Also, the hot springs will heal me right up. Wait, wow! Here comes a beautiful woman with great style! Could it be that she is sitting next to me? Well, is your seat by the window?
Yeah.
Hang on, that was scary! Huh? Why is she staring? She's pretty, but she seems a little scary, so best I don't get involved. Maybe I'll read a manga. Oh, that's right. Mangas are in my backpack, which I put in the upper luggage area. There we go.
What?
Before my new life could begin, it was completely over.
I just had my first kiss. What should I do?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'll do anything. Please don't turn me into the station attendants.
Are you sure you'll do anything?
Yes, I will. I totally will. I'll do anything.
Oh my god, I wouldn't do that. I understand it was an accident and you don't look like a bad person, so it's okay.
Huh? She seems scary at first, but she's surprisingly a nice person. Then we were introducing ourselves to each other and starting a conversation. Wow, you're traveling alone too, Akane. I am too, actually.
I see. Where are you going?
Akatsuki Hot Springs.
Wait, I'm going to the same place. This is such a coincidence that we're going to the same place.
Really? Wow. Maybe it's fate. Just kidding.
Haha, you're a funny guy, Haruhiro.
Yeah, I get that a lot. I always feel sick to my stomach when I'm with you, is something they say.
Actually, I'm a very shy person. This is the first time I've had a good time chatting with someone like this.
Oh, well, let's talk a lot more. Maybe me and Akane are kindred spirits. While we were chatting happily, we arrived at our destination. After that, I parted with Akane at the station and headed to the inn after wandering around the town for a bit. I love hot spring towns. But I must say, I was lucky to meet such a nice person on the train on the way here. I should have had the courage to ask her for contact details. As if. How could I have been accepted by such a beautiful woman like that? While I was thinking about that, we arrived at the inn. Someone is talking at the reception desk, but what's going on? Wait, Akane?
What? Haruhiro, are you staying at the same inn?
It seems so. It's nice to see you again. So, what's going on?
Actually...
To our surprise, the inn had made a mistake and double booked us, and it turns out that me and Akane's rooms were together. How far is this coincidence going to go? Is Akane really my destiny? This is not the time to be thinking about it. I understand. Well, I'll look for another lodging then.
I would feel terrible for that.
No. In times like this, a man should be considerate.
Well then, would you like to stay together?
What? Really? Well, that would be very helpful. Well, then we'll stay together. Hang on, of course not. That's definitely not a good idea.
But you said on the bullet train that you'd do anything to make up for kissing me.
That's...
If you refuse, I'll go to the station attendee right now.
Okay, I got it. I will excuse myself into the room with you. And so I shared a room with Akane.
Let's go to the hot spring first.
Oh, okay. Calm down, me. Normalcy.
Haruhiro, you're saying out loud.
I'm too tense, me. So after we got into the hot springs, I was offered a drink in the room and we drank it together.
To tell you the truth, I had a bad day and went on a trip as a runaway from home.
Was that so?
If it was my father, he's deciding who my fiancé would be on his own. I don't want to sound rude, but I really cannot with that person.
A favor, huh? Could Akane be a young lady from somewhere?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just talking about myself the whole time.
It's okay. It's a man's role to listen to what women have to say. Besides, I'm glad you told me about yourself, Akane.
Haruhiro, if you don't mind, please tell me about yourself too. Why did you go on a trip alone, Haruhiro?
Oh, you want to ask? Then let's talk about it. Chapter 1 of the Haruhiro Saga. It begins. I told her what had happened at my old company. So yeah, I quit the company and became unemployed. And so I came on this trip by myself. Thank you for your kind attention. Wait, what? Akane?
Haruhiro, you're so admirable. Even though you were taken advantage of by a bad boss, you kept working hard for everyone. Haruhiro, you're such a wonderful person. I'm sure you have a wonderful future ahead of you. Here's to your future!
You're drunk, Akane. Then I'll drink to Akane's bright future. Cheers! We hit it off again, and Akane and I got along well with each other, and the drinks went down a storm, and we got more and more excited. Oh, where is this? I see. I went on a trip by myself and drank alcohol in the same room as Akane. Why is Akane on my futon?
Haruhiro?
Hello, Akane. Good morning. What a surprise.
Haruhiro, you were on the futon with me. Yeah! Did we do it by any chance?
We didn't do anything!
You'd have to take full responsibility for this.
No, we really didn't do anything. Please believe me.
I'm just kidding. What a joke. I guess we got drunk and fell asleep.
Was that a joke? There was a little incident, but Akane and I left the inn.
Here, this is my contact information.
Oh, thanks. This is mine.
Thanks to you, Haruhiro. I had a very enjoyable trip. Let's meet again.
Yes, by all means. Let's meet again. Then I parted with Akane and went home, and a few days passed. I should start looking for a job soon. Oh, a notification on my phone. I wonder who it is. Akane?
It's been a while. If you'd like, shall we meet up again?
Oh, that was a quick invitation. I had to say yes to this right away. And then I met with Akane.
Thank you for coming, Haruhiro.
She is too beautiful as usual.
Actually, there's a place I want to go with you, Haruhiro.
Of course, that's fine. I'll follow you anywhere. I was so happy to follow her until... That's massive!
This is my house.
Wow, the rooms inside the mansion are amazing. Akane was a lady after all. But Akane went away somewhere. I feel a bit uneasy.
Sorry to keep you waiting, Haruhiro.
Akane, you're here. Yes. Wait, what?
This is my father.
Hang on a minute. Yeah, this is a boss and his daughter.
So, this is the guy you chose as the son-in-law.
What's this about?
Yes, we've already kissed and spent the night.
Well, it's not a lie.
Right. You're already that far along.
No, we're not. Is what I'd like to say, but I'm sensing it's not the right time to say it.
I'm not gonna let you marry my daughter unless it's someone I approve of.
And I have no intentions of marrying anyone other than him. I am prepared to do anything for that.
This is something I can't go back on.
Even despite the fact that I have a fiancé of my own choosing, huh? Very well. If you insist, I'll test this Haruhiro here.
As you wish.
Then first, I'll ask you two to live together.
Understood.
Also, I don't accept just living together well. I want to see if Haruhiro is a man I can entrust my daughter with. Therefore, I will entrust you and Haruhiro with the food stall that our group will be running. If you can win first place in sales at the next festival, I will recognize your relationship.
Understood. Akane, what is this all about?
I'm sorry, but I felt that it was destiny with you, Haruhiro. My destined person is you, Haruhiro, and I don't want to let go of this chance. Is that a no?
Well, to be honest, I've already prepared my mind during all of this. If that's how it's going to be, I'll do it.
Thank you, Haruhiro.
And so, I moved in with Akane and set my goal in becoming #1 in sales at the food stall. So, the food stall is a takoyaki shop?
Yes, I used to help out a lot. Our stall has a reputation for being really delicious. Okay, it's ready.
Wow, it looks delicious!
Don't they? Okay, well,
What?
it's just for tasting.
Oh, right. Well, then, it's delicious!
I'm glad. Well, Haruhiro, you try making it this time.
Whoa, it's pretty difficult, isn't it?
The trick is to turn the dough 90 degrees when it's still soft. Come, I'll show you how to make it first with your hands.
Akane's hand is... After that, Akane and I flirted, trained to cook takoyaki.
Whew, that was a nice hot bath. You have one too, Haruhiro?
After taking a bath, this is what I call living together. And while living together with Akane, in no time at all, the summer festival came. I'm nervous.
Haha, don't worry, because you...
Hey, Akane!
Huh?
Who's that?
He's the son of the head of the group that's against my father's group. His name is Kawai.
Huh? What's with this guy? He's a bit flimsy looking and unreliable, isn't he? Akane, come on, for God's sakes, just be my woman! Oh, is this the rumored guy? You've gotta be kidding. I heard that you have to win first place in sales at the festival to get your father's approval, right?
That's none of your business.
Then let's play. If my store wins first place in sales, you have to be my girl. If you guys win first place in sales, I'll never go near you again.
Fine, I'll take it.
What? Hey, Akane!
Don't worry, I believe in you, Haruhiro.
That's a heavy load! And finally, the festival started, and the guests started pouring in. Now that it's come to this, I have no choice but to do it. I can't let some unknown person take Akane. It's beautiful. It's as if the takoyaki are dancing. It's delicious. What is this takoyaki? I've never had such a delicious takoyaki before. This takoyaki is art. Oh, give me some too. 3 packs.
And me too! 7 packs!
Oh, no way. What the hell is that guy?
Surprised, aren't you? This is what Haruhiro can do. Our store is #1 in sales now.
That's why he accepted the competition so confidently. Well, watch me.
I brought takoyaki from a guy named Haruhiro's store. What are you gonna do with this?
It's obvious. We're gonna sell them as our own takoyaki. Amazing! It's a boom sale! That's my brother. Are these takoyakis really that good? Don't eat them. We'll mix them with our takoyaki and sell them bit by bit. And... Oh, here? The takoyaki shop where I got a stomachache after eating there a while ago? Yeah, I heard there were other people who got sick after eating the takoyaki from this store.
Hey, you guys, stop saying things that have no basis in fact.
Well, because it's true. That place over there is cleaner and tastier than this place. I see. Well, let's go over there.
That's terrible, to take such a despicable move like that.
The number of customers hasn't decreased, hasn't it? At this rate. Haruhiro! It's Haruhiro, isn't it? Huh? Oh, it's you. You're Mr. Wari.
Who is it?
That's the boss from my previous company. I did not want to meet him. Haruhiro, I am so sorry. What? After you left, the company went through a rough patch. That's when I found out that the company was made possible thanks to you. So I'm really sorry for everything. It was a long time ago. It's all right. I'm glad to hear you say that. I decided to take care of my subordinates after that, and I came to the festival today with the company employees as a social event. If you've changed, Mr. Warui, then that's fine. As for me, I'm okay now. Let's forget about the past and wash it out with water. Thank you. At least let me make amends for my sins now. Anything you ask. No, there's nothing. Oh, hang on. I asked Mr. Warui for a particular favor.
Mr. Kawaii! The guy named Haruhiro's store is thriving again!
What? Why?
That store is spreading on SNN. Also, people from some company brought a ton of takoyaki and...
What the hell is that? Hey, stop being such a coward!
Yeah, exactly the mirror of a villain's words and actions.
Who are you calling villain?
Well, just try my takoyaki first.
I'll eat it, and then I'll spread the word that it tastes bad. Warm takoyaki?
What do you think?
I've lost.
You admit defeat so easily.
I really like takoyaki too, so I have no choice but to admit it.
And so, Akane and I were able to take first place in sales.
Thanks, Haruhiro. It was all thanks to you. So after all, you were my destiny. Haruhiro, I love you.
I love you too, Akane. You're cute, kind, and fun to be with. I love you so, so much.
Haruhiro!
Akane?
You'll take responsibility for being my first, right? We could have 3 kids, right?
Wait, it's quick. I'm not ready yet.
I absolutely won't let you go.
And so, Akane's father approved of Akane and I.
Congratulations on your marriage!
Congratulations! Be happy, Akane. Haruhiro, I can trust you with peace. Take care of Akane for me.
Haruhiro,
Yes, Akane?
I love you.
Me too. I'll definitely make you happy.